Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss a topic that is essential for our overall health and well-being, how to sleep better. We all know that a good night's rest is vital for our body and mind. So let's explore some tips and tricks to help you achieve that much-needed restorative sleep. 1. Establish a routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day can help regulate your body's internal clock. This will make it easier for your brain to recognize when it's time to sleep. 2. Create a comfortable sleep environment. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in comfortable bedding and a supportive mattress. 3. Limit exposure to screens. Avoid using electronic devices for at least an hour before bedtime. The blue light emitted by screens interferes with the production of the sleep hormone melatonin. 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to insomnia. Incorporate stress-reducing activities such as exercise, meditation, or yoga into your daily routine. 5. Watch what you eat and drink. Avoid stimulants like caffeine and nicotine close to bedtime. Also, avoid heavy meals or spicy foods that may cause discomfort or indigestion at night. 6. Stay physically active. Regular exercise can improve the quality of your sleep. However, avoid intense workouts close to bedtime, as they may keep you awake. 7. Limit caffeine and nicotine. Both caffeine and nicotine can disrupt your sleep cycle. Cut back on these substances at least 2 hours before bedtime. 8. Practice good hygiene. Keep your bedroom clutter-free and free from distractions that can interfere with your ability to relax and sleep. 9. Avoid napping during the day. While naps can be refreshing, they can also interfere with your ability to sleep at night. If you must nap, keep it short and early in the day. 10. Stay patient and persistent. Developing good sleep habits may take some time. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep trying, and remember that a good night's rest is essential for maintaining good health and well-being. Please leave a comment below on what you do to fall asleep fast. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more health and fitness tips. Thank you for watching.